Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's we're going to be doing a upgrade on a Hyundai Sonata. We're going to put LED reverse lights. And that is, see if you can see that there. They're the JDM Astar LED lighting. So these are going to be the reverse lights in my mother-in-law's car. I just replaced one of the tail lights because the tail lights got all melted and the lights bulbs, you couldn't get them out. So yeah, so now we're gonna put these ones to see how good the reverse lights are. All right, let's do it. So if you have a Hyundai Sonata, these are gonna be your backup lights right here. These one and that one. And to get access to it, you're gonna have to take off this panel, which has a bunch of these body clips. One right there. Hard, I know it's kind of hard to see because it's, there we go. So those clips there, there, and there. And then normally it's like 2 screws. All right, so let's get the clips out. Alright guys, when on the sides of the, I guess the reverse tail light, there's these little plastic clips that are also 10 millimeter. As you can see, you take these out. So it's 2 there, a 10 ml nut right there, and it pops right out. One thing I don't know if they're supposed to go a certain way. I know some of these are supposed to, but I guess we'll find out. See, these are a lot longer. Let's see how much longer, so let's find out. All right. So the original is about 1 inch and 3/8 length. The new LED bulb is 1 inch and 7/8. You can see that. And they look like about the same diameter, so. Okay, and then let's see. There you can see it's not right on the glass, but these aren't supposed to get hot like these ones, so that should be fine. All right, let's do the next one. If you guys have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like, the thumbs up. Thanks, guys. All right, bye.